So Samsung will start the next year with the launch of the Galaxy S21FE. And in February, they will launch the most anticipated phone of this year or probably the next year, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now we have already seen the design, but now a couple of freshly leaked pictures are reconfirmation of what the phone will look like. Now a tipster has shared also images of the camera lens protectors of the S22 series. And this image is in line with the renders and the leaked photos of the S22 Ultra model, which will feature 4 cameras and a laser focusing system. Now not just that, a case render also shows the same water drop camera module design at the back. The past leaked renders of the S22 and S22 Plus have revealed that these two phones will retain the predecessor's rear design, with a few design tweaks. But the camera system itself will see an upgrade. According to the leaks, it will feature a new 50 megapixel sensor as a main camera and a 10 megapixel telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom. The S22 Ultra will look different, like totally different from every single angle if you compare it with the predecessor, the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It will ditch any kind of camera bump in favor of the water drop camera design. Even though going by the resolution numbers, it may not look like an upgrade from the predecessor, but if you look at the sensor specs, then it seems. You can check out my previous video for that. Tipster Ice Universe also uploaded images and videos of the phone's protective films, and they showed the note-like design of the S22 Ultra, which does look really good. And also the other things like bezel size, with even the size comparison between the Galaxy S22 Ultra, S22 Plus and the S22. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will sport a 6.8-inch LTPO panel, and the Plus model will come with a 6.55-inch panel, which is still a big one. And the standard Galaxy S22 will come with a 6.06-inch display, which is really compact, to be honest. And if you have forgotten about the thing, the S22 and S22 Plus will come with a razor-thin bezel technology. That means it will have very thin bezels all around and a flat display. It will look just stunning, straight out stunning. Are you excited about these 3 phones? Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.